In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import the Bonkbot wallet into Phantom. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to pay attention to each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. We'll start by accessing your Bonkbot wallet through Telegram. Open the Telegram app and use the search function to find Bonkbot. Once you have located it, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on the wallet option within Bonkbot. This is your gateway to managing your digital assets. Here, you'll see an option to export your seed phrase. Go ahead and click on that. The app will then prompt you to authenticate your account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go. After authentication, your recovery phrase, which is crucial for accessing your wallet, will be displayed. It's essential to handle this part with care. Copy the recovery phrase carefully. This phrase is your utmost security key. If someone else gets access to it, they can control your wallet. Therefore, keep it private and secure. I'm only sharing this phrase as part of our tutorial, and it's for illustrative purposes only. Now that you have your private key ready, let's switch over to the Phantom wallet. Start by logging into your Phantom account. Once logged in, head to your profile within the app. From here, go to Settings. This section is where you can manage the technical aspects of your wallet. Within Settings, find the Manage Account section. This is where you can add new wallets or make changes to existing ones. You'll see the option to Add or Connect Wallet. Selecting this will give you a few different options. The one we're interested in is Import Private Key. Now, take the recovery phrase you copied from your Bonkbot wallet and paste it into the designated area for the private key. Make sure it's pasted accurately to avoid any errors in accessing your funds. Once pasted, click Import. The app will automatically process this information and integrate your Bonkbot wallet into Phantom. And there you have it. Your Bonkbot wallet is now imported into your Phantom wallet, allowing you to manage your assets in one streamlined place. Remember, keeping your recovery phrase secure is key to maintaining control over your wallet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.